Hello everyone, and welcome to the Photosynthesis series. In this video, we'll be working through a question from the Eastern Cape June 2024 exam. This question is worth 10 marks. Right, so we're given a diagram of a chloroplast which is found inside a plant cell. Now, I'd like us to first work our way through the labels and then we'll go to the questions. So, label number 1 is pointing to a starch granule. So, once starch is produced by the chloroplast, it is then stored inside these granules. Label 2 is pointing at two membranes. That is the inner and outer membrane. So, it is a double membrane. Label 3 is pointing to the thylakoid membrane. It isn't pointing to the open space within the thylakoid or the lamella. It is pointing to the thylakoid membrane itself. Remember that it is inside this thylakoid membrane that chlorophyll is embedded. It is embedded within the membrane, and that is how sunlight is absorbed. Label 4 is pointing to the liquid medium within the chloroplast. That is the stroma. And label 5 is pointing to the ribosomes. So those little dark circles are ribosomes. Right, so let's answer the questions. Identify the organelle represented in the diagram. That is a chloroplast, 1 mark. Give labels for 2 and 3. 2 is the double membrane, 1 mark. 3 is the lamella. 3 is the thylakoid. I actually wouldn't say it's the lamella, it is the thylakoid. Remember that the lamella is the extension of the thylakoid that connects two grana to each other. Right, so remember these answers are directly copied and pasted from past papers, and sometimes there are errors. Okay, give the letter and name of the part that. So for these kinds of questions, you want to be very careful to answer both parts of the question. So not only giving the name or the letter. So the part that stores glucose would be 1, the starch grain. The part that forms enzymes for photosynthesis, that would be 5, the ribosomes. The site for light-independent reactions. Light-independent reactions means dark phase, and that would be 4, the stroma. What is the name of the energy carrier formed in light-dependent phase? That would be ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. When in doubt, always write it out in full. Adenosine triphosphate. Now I'd like you to give yourself a mark out of 10, and then we can move on to the next question. If you're interested in more videos like these, be sure to subscribe to this channel, follow this page whether you're watching from TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. Thank you.